students, welcome to the class. It's our math class. Today we will do the story sum of subtractions, page number 64. Okay, so first look at the board. I have written a sum. Raju had 8 balloons. How many balloons Raju had? 8 balloons. Raju had 8 balloons. He gave 3 balloons to his sister. How many he gave to his sister? 3 balloons he gave to his sister. He has, how many balloons he has now? So now, because he gave to his sister 3 balloons, how many balloons he have now? So he has now, we have to subtract 3 from 8. So we will write 8 minus 3 equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So 5 balloons. 5 balloons, right? So 8 minus 3, 5 balloons. So Raju has 5 balloons now. Raju has 5 balloons now. This is called story sum because it's a story, right? Raju had 8 balloons. He gave 3 balloons to his sister. Now how many balloons he has now? So it's a story. That's why it is called story sum. So 8 minus 3 equal to 5 balloons, right? There were 12 candies. 8 candies are eaten. So how many candies were there? 12 candies are there. So there were 12 candies. 8 candies are eaten. How many candies are left? So you already have eaten 8 candies. Now how many are left? So you have to subtract 8 from 12. So you will say, you will write 12 minus 8. You will write 12 minus 8 equal to 4. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. So this is a 4 candies. 4 candies. Right? 4 candies are left. So this is called story sum. Now in your book there are another page that is keep counting. Okay. Page number 60. Now in your book in page number 65 there is keep counting. Keep counting. Skip counting is there in your book. So what is skip counting? We can, while we are counting, we didn't say 1, 3, 4, right? We say 1, 2, 3, 4. We count all the numbers. Now skip counting, that means you have to skip 1 or 2 or 3 numbers while you are counting. What will be there as the in the instruction? Okay. So skip counting, here it is. Count in 2s by standing the correct number as shown. So here I will write count in 2s, shading the correct number. Shading the correct number. So count in 2s. That means we have to skip 1, skip 2, 2. We have to count after 2. Okay. So 2s, that means here first we will count right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now we will do page number 65, that is skip counting. What is skip counting? While we count, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. We don't leave any number. Do we leave any number? No, we don't leave any number. Here we have to skip one number or skip two number or three number while we are counting. How we can do that? Look here. Count in twos setting the correct number. That means we have to count the twos. That means first we will count 2, then we will leave 1, then again we will count the 2. We will leave 1 and then again we will count the 2. How we will do that? First 1, so we will count the 2. Then next 2, we will leave 1 and then 2. 1 and then 2. We will leave 1 and then 2. We will leave 1 and count the 2. 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 Here we will leave 1 and count the 2. We will leave this one and count the 2. We will leave 1 and count the 2. Leave 1 and count the 2. So how we are doing? We are leaving one number and counting the two number, second number, right? We are counting the second number. So first we just leave 1 and we circle the 2. So we just count the 2. Then we have to shade the number. In your book you have to shade the number. Color the number, okay? With your favorite color. So first we just leave the 1 and count the 2. Second we leave 3 and count 4. We leave 5 and count 6. We leave 7 and count 8. We leave 9 and count 10. We leave 11 and count 12. This is how we just complete this. So count in 2s, that means you have to count only the 2. That means with 2, then 1, leave 1 and then again 2, leave 1 and again 2, like this. If it was saying that you have to count by 3s, you have to count by 3s. Then what we have to do? If it is saying that we have to count the 2s, right? We have okay. Now if it is saying that we have to count 3s, not 2s, it's 3s. That means 3s, that means we will count the 3. We will leave 2 number and next we will count the 3 number, okay? So first we will leave 1 and 2. 2 number we will leave and we will count the 3 number. We will leave, again we will leave 2 number and count the 3 number. Again we will leave 2 number and count the 3 number. Here we will leave 2 number and count the 3 number. Here we will leave 2 number, count the 3 number. This is how we have to do these sums, okay? Skip counting. We have to skip 1 number or 2 number or 3 number. How much we have to count, it will be written there, okay? So count in 3s, that means you have to leave 2 number and you have to count the third number, 3 number, okay? So this is how you will do skip counting and story sum from your book. Thank you for watching.